Hello, and you are watching the Student Induction Video Competition 2020, brought to you by BCS Hertfordshire and the University of Hertfordshire School of Physics, Engineering and Computer Science. Choose one of the on-screen topics to create your video about. Make sure you pick one that you can give an interesting response to. Create a video between 1 and 3 minutes long. Entries longer than 3 minutes will not be accepted. Shoot the video in the best quality you can, and if you need any help, please contact p.moggeridge@hearts.ac.uk. Prizes will be awarded into 2 categories: the best videos from first year students and the best videos from returning students. Once you're happy with your video, upload it to our link. When you go to the link, you will find a page where you can input your name and then upload your video file. Lastly, send an email to p.moggeridge@hearts.ac.uk. We will reply to your email if you're the lucky winner or a runner-up, and we may also email to let you know if we have any trouble playing your video. This completes your entry into our competition. Please make sure that you read the rules before you enter the competition. And note down that the last day of entry is Sunday, 8th of November 2020, 11 PM GMT. Good luck, and looking forward to seeing your entries. Please make sure you read the rules before you enter the competition, and note down that the last day of entry is the 5th of October at 11 PM BST.